Good morning, my dear students. Now, in today's class, I am going to discuss the number system in our computer subject. What is number system and what is the use of these number systems? Basically, number systems are used in our computer system to store data because you know this in a computer system everything will be converted in digital form, means 0 and 1 form. Computer understands only binary language, and binary language is having only 0 and 1 in its form. So everything will be converted in binary and then computer will understand. According to this binary, our data is encrypted and decrypted, and it will be received by the computer and it will be shown to you back after reading the data which we have saved already. Now, four types of number system. Four types of number system. First one is digital, where I should write it in capital. Digital. Now in digital, everything is in binary form. So you have to understand that the codes which is assigned in the alphabets, like if I am talking about A, small a is having the value 97 and the capital A is having the value 65 associated with it. This is called ASCII code. So I am not going deep inside this. It means everything is assigned with a number. Like O is having number, F is having number, this is space is having number, N is having number. So everything is having number, and computer just translate these characters in the numbers and it understands. So this is digital. Now first is decimal. You know, in decimal part 0, 1, 2, 3 like this up to 9 is there. Means total digits are 10. So its base is 10. We will count the number of digits. In decimal part 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So when you will count, it will be 10. So this decimal number system is having the base 10. Very simple it is. Now the second point is binary. In binary, you know, only 0 and 1 is there. So only 2 digits. So its base is 2. I am counting the digits only. In binary number system, only 2 digits are there, 0 and 1. So its base is 2. Like the same, third, octal. In octal, 0, 1, 2, 7. When you will count this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will come 8. So its base is 8. Now the second and now the last is fourth point, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 0, 1, 2 up to 15. So you can see this from 0 to 15 you will count. It will be 16. Now its base is 16. So one problem is there. Up to 0 to 9 it is okay. But when you are writing any number 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, somebody may read this 0, 12, 3, 14. And somebody may write 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. So if I want to say that I have written 14 and I have written 12 here, then how it will be? So for that reason, we we are calling A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F 15. So if you have to write any number 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 like this, if you have to write any number and you want to say this is 12, this is 14, so you will write 0, C, 3, E. This is the hexadecimal form. In this form, it is clear that this is 0, this is C. C means 12, this is 3, and E means 14. So this is clear, and every person can easily understand the concept that how you have written. Now conversion. Whenever we are talking about any conversion, you must know that every number system can be converted with any other number system also. It is not fixed. Every number system can be converted with any other number system. Let's an example. Decimal to binary. I am talking. The first question I am taking is 512. This is decimal, so I have written it in the bracket and then the base 10. This means you can understand 512 is having base 10. Base 10 means this is the decimal number system, and then this is empty, and I want this in binary number system. So this kind of question may come in your exam. You have to understand by seeing this question. This is decimal number system because its base is 10, and this is empty. So I want something whose base is 2, means here I want binary. So for converting this in binary, you have to divide this 512 with the second base only. Means the number system which you want, you have to choose the base from that number system. Means if you want binary, so you have to choose the base of binary. You will divide this number, decimal number system, with the base of binary, means 2. So first, when you will divide 2 to the 4 and then 0, 2 6 to the 12. So completely it is divided. Now no remainder is there, so you will write 0. Then 2 1 the 2, 0, 2 3 the 6. No remainder is there. Then after 2 5 the 10 and 2 1 the 2. You can see one remainder is there. 2 2 the 4 and 2 5 the 10. You can see one remainder is there. 2 12 the 24 and one remainder. 2 6 the 12. You can see no remainder. 2 3 the 6. You can see no remainder. 2 1 the 2. You can see one remainder. You can read it from down to top. This you have to remember. After dividing it by 2 only, you will read it from down to top. So the binary number system associated with this number is, you will read it from down. 1 1 0 0, 1 1 1, 0 0 0. So the binary number system of this 512 is this. So once again I am telling you, if you have to divide any number system, it can be easily converted. Methods are different for every number system. So today I have discussed decimal to binary. Over this, I am giving you two questions. Please note down in your copy. Now, first question 902. This is the decimal part. You have to convert it in binary. And 621. This is decimal. You have to convert it in binary. So you have to solve it as your homework in your copy. And thank you, students. If you have any doubt, any clarification, you can ask. Thank you.